Hey guys, how to download Alexa app? Let's go. Alexa app download in Play Store. Let's see. देखते हैं। देखे तो इसमें कोई ऐप Alexa नहीं है। कोई बात नहीं। एंड रिवर्स बैक एंड गो टू गूगल। सर्च Alexa app download. Let's see Amazon Alexa. Click here. Oh, more information. This item is available in your country. Available नहीं है. Okay, let's see Play Store and click search Melon VPN. Download and open now. Wait. Let's check. And United States select. Go back and Google and search Alexa app download. Oh, ये तो फ्रॉड हो गया. और नो टेंशन. गो टू सेटिंग. Select app notification. Select apps. Wait. Go to Play Store. Force stop. Storage. Click storage. Clear data. Okay. And back. Search Google. Alexa app download. Alexa app download. Click here Amazon Alexa. And let's see install the Alexa. No tension. Back. Click here to Amazon Alexa. Install now. Install now and wait and enjoy the video. Watch the video